Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down, then go to device care option. Now from here go to memory option, and that's it. Now from here you can check your RAM or memory details. Here you can find clean now option. If you want to clear your RAM or memory, just tap on clean now option, and you can see that will start cleaning your RAM or memory, and the cleaning is complete. Now you can see in my phone available RAM or memory is 2.5 GB. Now if you go back, here you can find some another option which help you to optimize your phone better. You can also use a shortcut method to clear your RAM or memory. Just go to home screen option, and here you can see a widget which help you to clear your RAM or memory. If you want to add this widget to your home screen, just touch and hold on the home screen, then tap on widgets. From here scroll down, then just tap on device care, and that's it. Here you can find some widgets. And you can choose any widget as you like. Suppose if you want to add this widget, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the here, and it's done. Now just tap here to clear your RAM or memory, and you can see it's optimized successfully. And that is how you can clear your RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.